Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a very, very small Dollar Tree haul. I thought I'd just share it and tell you what's going on with me. I went to 3 Dollar Trees, only bought at 2 Dollar Trees. And the third Dollar Tree was a bonus because I happened to be on that side of town. But the only reason I was on the east side of Green Bay is Scott's best friend, Mihai, had a small stroke yesterday morning, and we were able to go see him today. And there was a Dollar Tree not far from that hospital, and I bought balloons at the first Dollar Tree for him. I wanted to write on one plain balloon I brought, and I forgot a Sharpie, and the road that me and Scott were going down, the Dollar Tree was at the end of it. I'm like, can we swing into the Dollar Tree? That was the third Dollar Tree. He just rolled his eyes at me and pulled in. So, I'm so excited because last year, I could not find these, and I wanted them at Christmas season last year, and I could not find them. I actually found 4, so I'm so stoked. Was the little globes, high clutch domes, I should say. So they had 4 on my first Dollar Tree. I was like, yep, they're coming home with me. At least I got 4. You may see a couple for Halloween, and probably 2 for Christmas. Then Riley asked for a sharpener for Nana's craft room for her. So I bought her a little Minnie Mouse sharpener. I thought it was cute, and she likes Minnie, so I grabbed that for her. And then I received one of these pens in friend mail, and I love how they wrote. And I've been watching for my Dollar Tree, and it came in today, so I got 2 different colors. Because I just like how these wrote. They're both black ink, but just the way they wrote, I digged it. So I grabbed me 2 of them. And I gave 90% of the planner stickers I recently grabbed for the Allie's birthday present, so I wanted to pick another set up for myself. I was only able to find 1 set, and that's the unicorns. I didn't even look at the third store. I should have. And they're cool. So then, as I was walking through the checkout or that aisle, I came across these Crayola. It says sticker activity pad includes 25 coloring pages, 4 sticker sheets. This is sloths and llamas. I thought Riley would like these, and he gets the stickers. I thought the stickers are cute. I might read some. And then the coloring sheets. Nice and big images. The images are cute. I'm not going to go through it all, but you could see how well they are. So that's this one. And then this one is called Uno Creatures. And I look at the burger. That's cute. The dog's freaky. The dog looks like he's possessed. And then the images itself. I thought they were cute, and they're made by Crayola. So I bet you they weren't no buck. Let's get that. This one's called Cosmo Cats. With a hamster. With a dragon. Might have to give that to Allie. And then the images again. And then mer creatures. And the images. Oh, look at it's a CEO dog. So I thought Riley would like these when she's here. And I think I told you to put planner stickers. I gave mine to Allie. I was hoping to find all 3. That was the first Dollar Tree. Went into the second Dollar Tree that's pretty across from my bank. They didn't have anything I was actually looking for. And the whole reason I went to Dollar Tree, I was hoping to find the fall and Halloween stickers. No such luck. But third Dollar Tree, I mean, that we came across, I know where it is. We just happened to be going on the way we were going toward the hospital. My tux got in to stop in. I actually was able to find, and this is funny. I didn't know. I only saw one of these trucks, and it was this truck with the pumpkins. And then when I got home, they were stuck together. She didn't notice it. I didn't notice it either. There's only one, not another string on this either. I had to stick it to him. So I got two for the price of orange. Yeah, they were stuck together. Because I literally peeled it apart. So that's pretty cool. I ended up with two. So I got that, which I was looking for. And then I was looking for this. Farm Fresh Fall, the red truck. I love the red truck. You guys know that. And I wanted it, so I got that. And the only thing I found Halloween-wise is the black bats, which is one is broke, which is missing. I looked in the bags. I'm thinking it's probably in the truck. And the purple. And that's all they had out at the third Dollar Tree. And that's what I grabbed. And that's it. I told you it was small. But I was at least one good deed for the day of going to the Dollar Tree was finding these. I wanted these last year at Christmas so bad. And I actually found them today. So I'm hoping that when I asked my gals, they said probably a week to two before the rest of the fall stuff will be out at the newer fall stuff. They said that will be out on the floor. And what's out is flowers, and that's some from random, but they haven't got any in the new truck. Oh, and then I went to Walmart because Scott wanted some shorts for work because it's so hot in the factory right now. The other night he told me it was 125 degrees in there. Can you imagine working in it, guys? Yeah. So he wanted some extra shorts he had shorts, but the material was so heavy, like cargo material, that he wanted ones that weren't as heavy to wear. So we went to Walmart and I picked up some shorts. I bought myself a new binder because I was out of binders. And I need a binder for my pocket letters. So I picked up a binder from school supplies. That's my day because I spent almost 3.5 hours at the hospital. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you found any of the new Halloween stickers and fall stickers and fall decor at your Dollar Tree. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.